be a great day. For the people who like hash browns, you know the struggle. Good morning, fam. Well, hello, fam. Okay, so we at Thaba Eco. Hello. We are right here at Thaba Eco Hotel. It is amazing. Like the view. It is freezing cold. Like freezing cold. So right now we literally just checked in at around like just before 4. Oh sorry, just after 4. So it was traffic, but it wasn't that bad. Got some snacks, packed up, finally made it. It is freezing, I'm gonna say this, but also at the time of this recording and while we're here, it is gonna be a cold front, so there's that. But I would say if you come here during winter, make sure you thermal everything. Thermal, and make sure you are dressed warmly. That's what I wanted to say. So Thaba Eco Hotel, it's very cool because you can get like a mountain view, and then there's other types of views. We can check it out online. There's spa, and yeah, it's like in the middle of a nature reserve. I think it's called Klipsrivier Nature Reserve. So, and also it's 38 minutes away from OR Tambo airport. So yeah, we'll see how it goes, and just gonna chill. I look forward to just chilling and not going anywhere because this is cold, guys. It is cold. But anyway, welcome to my channel. You know what to do, like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of this. Okay, that's me. Bye. Just ordered some room service chicken burger and chips, fam. It is cold. Good morning, fam. Hi, everyone. Hello. What a night. I was sleeping, melting in this bed like a marshmallow. Like, I was so tired. And it was this warm, like, last night was so nice. You can watch, obviously, like, Showmax, Netflix, whatever. And so we watched Love Hotel, which is hilarious. Bravo's Love Hotel. If you're into Real Housewives and stuff, these people are from those shows. The whole concept in itself was hilarious. Like, rom-com meets reality meets very funny. Good time. And then also ordered some food. So how to work, like, the room service is actually the restaurant that's here. The portions are portioning. So right now gonna go for breakfast at the Crawl restaurant. I'm gonna take you guys with. And then what else? Today we might do like a spa because we are here tomorrow as well. But yeah, like breakfast at from 7 to 11, and it's now like 9:47. So yeah, Dev's gonna do that. And then yeah, like just chilling and enjoying the peace and quiet, like outside. We don't know what part of Joburg South this is, but yeah. But either way, I'm gonna go outside. I look very interesting because see, the ISO is on like a next level. Yeah, fam, it's gonna be a great day. Fam, so what now? We are actually gonna leave, but we'll come back. And then we wanted to go to the spa. Let me say this: when you come here, like, there is a spa called Senzani Spa. I think that's how you pronounce it. But unfortunately, they were like fully booked for today, which is a Saturday, and tomorrow. And then they had an opening on Monday. We want to check out. So then we were like, okay, yeah, let's make the appointment. And then someone managed to get a booking at a Life Day Spa. I think it's called Aspen. Yeah, Life Day Spa Aspen. It's close by. I don't know how close, we're going to see. So that's going to be tomorrow. So quite excited for that. I know it's Life Day. I've been to 2 already. It's very nice. I really do enjoy it. They in and around like various places in SA. So if you want to go for a spa experience, I would highly recommend that. And luckily I packed in a swimming costume, so after that probably gonna go to the pool. It's gonna be a good time. Just need to figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair because I actually don't want to get away. But anyway, I'm gonna just go out for a bit and then come back and just chill. And then tonight gonna go to the Crawl restaurant for dinner. There's also a matric dance here, so tonight at one of the places. So there's actually a church here on the premises. It's called City something church, and then they have like various places where if you want to do a wedding, they have a banquet hall. Tonight's gonna be interesting, looking forward to that. But also I don't want to get cold, man. I do not want to get cold. But yeah, it's gonna be chilled, easy. I'm tired, I'm gonna be honest. Also that breakfast, oh yeah, the breakfast, that was very nice. I'm not gonna lie, it was packed. Chakalaka was spicy. But I really enjoyed the breakfast. And also they had hash browns. For the people who like hash browns, you know the struggle. We don't find hash browns, and you don't want to go to McDonald's just to get a hash brown. I do want to know how to make one. That was very nice, like very filling, very nice spread. I really enjoyed it. So it's gonna be interesting to see how the dinner is. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with some sugar. But anyway, right now we're gonna leave, and then yeah, I'll check you guys later. But also you saw like so we are back in the room, got some stuff, came back. As you guys could see, it is sunset now. We're just gonna chill, keep it easy, keep it going. It is so nice and warm because we put on the aircon. One thing I will say, because the portions are so big, we ordered room service now, but we're gonna do like 1 meal, and then if we want another one, we'll just order late because the kitchen closes at 9. But yeah, it's been chilled, been very calm. I don't know what it's called in English, if there's an English name or if the name is the same. A dassie. I only know it as a dassie. I usually see that animal on Table Mountain, and then when we came, we saw the animal here, we're like, oh, okay. And then as we were walking, because instead of taking a golf cart, so oh yeah, what happens when you hear like they transport everyone with a golf cart, so you can just call reception, I need to go somewhere, and they come fetch you. But we were like taking walks throughout the day, which was quite nice. And also it wasn't too cold to be able to go outside and take several walks. So just, you know, taking some scenery, fresh air, look at the plants, look at the birds, the various insects and things. And so as we were walking now to the room, we saw a Dassie eating a leaf, I think, and looking at us, and I'm like, we need to leave ASAP. But yeah, so gonna chill, sort of going outside, but you just want to be calm, chilled indoors and cozy. That's where we at. And then oh yeah, tomorrow we decided to, I think I said this earlier, we're gonna go to Life Day Spa, so gonna be excited. But that's only in the afternoon, so after we already had breakfast, and then after our treatments we're gonna go for lunch there. So I'm quite excited. But yeah guys, we're chilling. And I'm gonna tell you, tomorrow you are definitely gonna see this top again, because I'm wearing, it's actually part of a tracksuit I have. Welcome to Thaba Eco Hotel. Everyone, so we are right here at the Life Day Spa Aspen. Oh yeah, I'm recording on my phone because I had to leave my camera, but it looks so nice and it's brand new, so I'm looking forward to the spa. Okay, people, it's gonna be a good time. Fam, that was a fabulous time. Yeah, at Life Day Spa, you have to come check it out at Aspen. Aspen Heights, Aspen Hills, the Aspen, Life Day Aspen in Joburg South. Come check it out. Cheers! Hi fam, it's been a few days, so I thought let me just wrap up this vlog before I forget all the details. I do want to say that Thaba Eco Hotel is in Joburg South. Highly recommend if you could go to Life Day Spa close to Aspen Heights, Aspen Hills, Aspen something, but it's close to that, and also at the back I think of Mall of the South. Highly recommend. That was glorious, and also it looks very modern. Like, I think they're still building like offices in and around that area. But anyway, just to wrap up things and my final thoughts, I would say the food. And the food was amazing. The portions are massive. There was a matric ball on the Saturday night. We didn't hear anything regarding the matric ball. Then there's a church service on Sunday. I think it starts at 9:30. Checkout is at 10 on Sunday. So I mean, it's a nice way to be an alarm for the people to, you know, pack up and leave. Those who are checking out on a Sunday. The breakfast, so we actually only left on the Monday, so they had a buffet breakfast for the Saturday and the Sunday, and then you just like order from the menu on like I think probably the weekdays, which is what we did. The hash browns were giving. Not a lot of places for some odd reason don't give hash browns, and I'm like wondering why. So I would highly recommend it. For the food is amazing. The service is also really good. Like the staff is really friendly, and we also saw some people that actually came with kids. So it seems to be from like based on the people we saw at breakfast that it is a kid-friendly type of accommodation. And also it's very like you're in a nature reserve, but you're like right in the city. So if you want to go somewhere that's not super far from a drive, but also it depends on where you're coming from. I mean, if you're coming from Joburg North, yeah, it's gonna be far for you. But and then if you from the airport, probably it's not gonna be that far. Probably gonna be depending on how fast you drive. I would say probably 25 minutes. Say 25, 35 minutes, depending on how you drive and which route you're taking from OR Tambo Airport. Not Lanseria. That is super far, okay? And then I think it did what it had to do. Like a nice breakaway. Food was nice. It was extremely cold because it was one of the coldest weekends in the country that specific weekend. So it was really cold. We had the heater on the whole time. If you just want to chill, you don't really want to go anyway, there is a spa like I said. Then it's a nice place to go to. But yeah, hopefully that is not the only place that we will be visiting. I really do want to explore a bit more places because I have not been to certain places in the country, like a whole province called Mpumalanga, for example. But I mean, I'm from Western Cape. Why would I need to go to Mpumalanga? No shade to the people from Mpumalanga. It's just that the distance, guys, it's super far. Like Durban is, it could be more than a day to drive from Cape Town to Durban. I actually need to get back in the swing of things. I got laundry and then I need to edit a video. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. Stay tuned for many more mini breakaways, escapes in the South African landscape of tourism and things. If you are looking forward to look at life outside of just traveling and just me just existing and being and enjoying life, and then also exploring some interesting things along the way. I really do hope to take you guys with me. If you like this video, you know what to do: like, comment, and subscribe. Please remember to share, tag, do all the things. Also, let me know if you have any places actually that you would highly recommend. Places in Mpumalanga, Limpopo, Northwest, that ain't Sun City, because we did that. Check the vlog out. Even Free State. Let me know. Who knows? There's a little town called Clarence. I might check it out. They call it, I think, Little Switzerland. So that's definitely like on my list of places to go. But if you guys have any recommendations in KZN area, like, I'll let you go. Let me know. Please let me know. Let all of us know who want to go to these places for family vacation, solo-cation, whatever, whoever you want to go with. Let me know and let us know. But anyway, guys, stay safe, warm. Whenever you're watching this, enjoy yourselves, okay? Love you. Bye.